See, you can move this one, okay? You can move the pepperoni.
So no need to cut the pepperoni.
No, don't cut the pepperoni. It's very small. Move the pepperoni. Yeah.
Ah.
See?
The spicy come late.
So,
Spicy come late.
iusod mo yung pepperoni.
Late na lumalabas yung ano, chef, yung ano niya.
Yun nga sabi ko eh. So, 3 slice. 1, 3.
So that cut the video no.
Akin na English, ano? Oregano.
Just put spicy powder.
The glaze. This is the spicy one. So, be careful. So, not too much. Because this is the spicy.
Okay guys, come here.
Okay? Cut. Stop na.